What's going on, Koopy SPF Dynasty? How are y'all doing today? What's going on, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Me, I'm doing fantastic. I haven't seen y'all in a minute. I know my videos just everywhere, they spaced out so much, guys. It's just been a lot going on. First and foremost, I've been having an issue with getting UniversalYums. I already know y'all know what this box was. Y'all seen the title. Y'all know what we doing today. UniversalYums unboxing. And this was a hassle getting this box this month. I don't know what was going on. They shipped it out kind of late to me. And I'm literally just now getting this box. And you know I couldn't wait to do this video. So I'm doing it the same day that I literally received it. I couldn't wait. If you're new to UniversalYums, UniversalYums is a monthly subscription box. With snacks and candies and chips and just all types of goodies in the box, right? And they feature one country each month. I think I kind of already know what this month is because it took so long to get to me. But, you know, you have 3 different size boxes you can get. It has a Yum box, the Yum Yum box, and a Super Yum box. I get the Super Yum box, and this runs me around, I want to say $39 plus tax, so it's probably about like $41, $42, I want to say, something like that. I get the Super Yum box, which is pretty cool. The only thing with this box now, guys, they've been changing up so much. They upped the price. It didn't used to be like $40-some. It used to be like a set price like $35, but they upped the price. And now they've added a drink that you can add to your box. So, you know, that's pretty cool. So, you know, if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description down below. The referral code that you click in the link down below will get you $5 off your first box. So make sure you click on that box. Click on that link so you can get you $5 off your first box. What's better than that? Guys, shipping has been all over the place and crazy. But yeah, heart goes out to everybody over there fighting that battle over there in Russia with Russia and Ukraine. My heart goes out to all of them over there that's losing, all of the innocent, you know, people that's losing their lives over there. My heart goes out to you guys. But we ain't gonna get into that. That's a whole nother discussion that's going on. We're gonna get into this box, guys. Like I said, I think I already know what this month box is. We're going to open it up and just see anyway. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't hesitate. Hit it. Now, they're going to give you a minute or so to hit the subscribe button. Everybody that's watching right now, let me give y'all at least a good minute. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel before we get into this box. If you don't subscribe, I'm not opening this box up. Okay? So, go ahead. It's been really rainy today. Well, yesterday and today has been really rainy and cold. This weather's been crazy, hasn't it? Whew. Y'all good now? We good? We can go? Okay. Sorry to, you know, the already subscribed people that's looking. I apologize for the delay. You gotta make sure that, you know, newcomers subscribe and get ready, get comfortable. Right? So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. And this month is France. This is February's box, of course. So this is France. This is the first thing you see when you open it up. You get this sheet here. And it basically has like little facts and stuff. And the map of France right there. And the map of whatever country that you get. And then on the other side, we have a list of all of the snacks here. And you can vote on your snacks. So basically, if you're like trying snacks with other people and you want to rate your snacks, you rate it for your favorite yum, your worst yum, favorite yum, worst yum, and weirdest yum, right? You also got like a little game right here at the bottom. Yep. Oh, but I didn't tell you, but the 3 sizes, the Yum box, I think you get like roughly like 4 to 6 snacks. The Yum Yum box, you get between 8 and 12. And then the Super Yum box, which is I have, you get 14 plus snacks. Okay. So, we got the little sticker here. And it says, what's not to lure about French yums. I did take French in school when I was in high school. So, You know, some words I do kind of know. Lubre, or lubra, that's love. Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all knew that. Alright. Most important thing in this box, besides the snacks, is this pamphlet here, and I want to tell you what. But let's just give y'all guys a sneak peek real quick. Bam! Boom. Okay. So the reason why I say this is the most important thing, this is the pamphlet. It gives you facts and stuff about your country. It gives you trivia. It also gives you your list of snacks, which is really important. Also, there's a recipe here in the back, which is right here. It gives you the answer to your trivia. It gives you your nutrition facts, which is very good. But what's the most important thing about this pamphlet is this here. You see that writing down at the bottom? That's the ingredients in the snack. Most important. Reason being is because if you don't have this and you're allergic to something and you don't have the ingredients, the list of the ingredients that you have in each of your items, you might have an allergic reaction. So it's very good that they put the ingredients of each item that's in the box so you know what's in it, just in case you're allergic to something. And I say that because sometimes on the package of the items is actually written in whatever country it is, their language, so you might not understand it. So at least on here they have it written in English so you can actually see what's in it. But let's go ahead and just get into this box. I know y'all happy and excited about this. I am. So the first item I'm actually not going to try, but I'll get to it. And I'll tell you why. Strawberry bonbon chewy candy. Now the reason why I'm not going to try these mini French strawberry chews is because I've had these in a previous box and these things are hard. You hear that? There's no way I'm about to try to eat these things. I don't care for them and I don't even like strawberry. But this is the first item. It says our customers' juicy, chewy favorite from France. It's not that juicy because it's hard. Okay. Alright. So, next item. Okay. Looks like it's these. And it's called French cheese tubes. And the brand is Sybil. French cheeses are better. So are their cheese snacks. Okay. And it says, you can see why locals eat 60 pounds of cheese per year. What worm thing? Hold on. Okay, so it says today there are a whopping 1,600 varieties of fromage, from soft, creamy camembert, to tangy Roquefort, to cussed merzu, a Corsican cheese infamous for containing live worms. Ew, live worms. So that's why I don't eat cheese like that. That's nasty. They said, don't worry though, these don't contain worms. Yeah, I would hope not. I hope they won't be serving us worms. That's what they look like. They don't smell bad. I don't know what type of cheese is in this. What is this? Cheese powder. They're not bad. I mean, you can taste the cheese, but it's not like, excuse me, not like a strong cheese, but that's not bad. Nope, wrong one. Next up are these right here. And these are called pure butter sablé. The butter biscuits, they've made that have made the French swoon since 1888. These are butter cookies or crackers. Cookies? Cookies. Okay. You only get about 6 cookies. As you can see. I'm intrigued. Let's get into it. Okay. Okay. They smell buttery. I mean, they smell like a normal butter cookie. Oh, that's a shortbread. I'm about to say it tastes like a shortbread, but it says here, freeze. Before you try this famous French shortbread, you should know the main ingredient is sand. What? Oh. Not the beach sand. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's a little dry, but it's okay. They're just meh. Oh yeah, I missed that, don't y'all? Meh. Alright. Oh. I see what's next and I ain't liking it. I'll probably give this to my dad to try. It's about to kill me, guys. Wasabi chips. Oh my god. Wasabi potato chips. Why? Crunch into France's fierce chips if you dare. Fierce chips if you dare. I already know they're gonna be horrible. I don't even want to try because I know they're gonna be hot. Oh my god, they're even green. I don't even eat wasabi with my sushi. I mean, they don't have a smell. Look at the bag though. You see that? You see the tinge on it? I didn't know whether you could see it just from this chip here alone. But you can see it from the bag alone. Look at that. Let me get my napkin ready because I already know. I ain't gonna like this. It don't have a smell though. Oh God. No. 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 As soon as that shit hit your motherfucking... Ooh. I'm so sorry. Excuse my language. I'm so sorry. As soon as it hit your tongue. As soon as your saliva hits that chip and it literally... As soon as you bite into it and the saliva hits the... Oh my goodness. That thing made me cuss. I'm so sorry. Ooh. It's a burn. I don't like that. I'm trying to burn my lip. Ooh. My God. Oh, I cussed. I apologize, guys. I apologize for that. It just hit my mouth and that was just like woo woo. Okay, let's move on. I'll comment on that chip later. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up. I think it's these. Yeah. So these are garlic aioli potato chips. Okay. Y'all know me. I don't really... Oh, wow. You can smell the garlic. And they're wavy chips. Yeah, you can definitely smell the garlic in that. My dad might like those wasabi chips because he likes spicy stuff. I don't know. He might not even eat them because it's like someone touch your mouth, you just like, whoa. It says garlic lovers plus this yum equals the perfect relationship. Definitely garlicky. If you love garlic, you would definitely love this. This is not a bad chip. I like garlic. That's definitely strong in garlic. Okay. That's what got to go in the yum bag. Okay. Next up we have these here. These are salted butter caramels. Now I know these are going to probably be pretty good. I like caramels. I like the soft caramels. That's a sticky caramel. Okay. Alright, so let me tell you something with this caramel. It's very good. The flavor is awesome. But you gotta be careful eating this because this is the sticky caramel that like stick to your teeth caramel. That's what this is here. You gotta be careful with that. Wow. But that was good. Alright. Next up. Ooh. We got something I know I'm gonna love. We got some chocolate truffles, guys. And I love truffles. We had truffles in another box, but it was like popcorn truffles. And I'm like, why y'all couldn't give me just plain truffles? I love me some truffles. Well, I got my wish. Look at that. That looks so good. They're rich. Once you get through the dusted part, because that cocoa on the outside like that, like a dark chocolate. So it's really rich. This is really, really, really rich. I'm kind of struggling with the chocolate because it's rich. I'm trying to at least get through it. Really rich. Oh my goodness. Alright. Next up, back in the yum bag. I think it's these. They're assorted French fruit chews. And I have... Oh, don't tell me they gave me all of the nasty flavors. Okay. Okay, we got 3 different flavors. Okay. That's not bad. I'm gonna keep 2 of them. There's 2 other things I think we ought to try. I'm gonna keep out of the bag just in case. So we have, looks like a orange or a mango. We have, looks like a blueberry or a black currant. I'm not exactly sure. And then I have, oh, I have all 4 flavors. Then I have a raspberry, looks like. And then a strawberry. So I got all 4 flavors. Let me make sure, do they have the name of the flavors on here? Yeah, so strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, and orange. Okay. Ooh, I think I'm going to try raspberry. I like raspberry. They're kind of hard, though. I hate when they say fruit chews and they barely look. Look at this. This is definitely helping out with that that chocolate, because that chocolate was very rich. This is really balancing it, really good. Okay. The flavor is fantastic. It tastes like a raspberry mamba. If you're from the United States, you know, if you grew up in, you know, the 90s or whatnot, 80s, 90s. It tastes like a mamba. But this is like way more chewier. You gotta like really like, yeah. I don't know, you gotta really break that down, but it's not bad. Okay. Next up, we have these cookies here. These are apricot and vanilla macaroon cookies. Okay. France's famous cookie in its most fragrant flavor yet. Okay. I hope it's not nasty. Ooh, I thought they were going to be bigger. Look. They're little petite cookies. Look at that. That's cool. They didn't really have much of a smell. Mmm. Look. Not hollow inside. Here we go. I don't know what to say about that. The flavor, okay. They're sweet. Wow. Not too bad. Let's just move on. That's not bad though. It's just really sweet. Next up, kindred these because I don't like onion, but these are confit, onion confit and balsamic vinegar potato chips. Sauteed French onion plus balsamic vinegar. Hopefully it's some good. I don't eat onion really, so I don't smell onion too much. Looks like that. Like a ridge potato chip. Or rebel. Okay, I smell a little bit right there. Alright, let's go. Okay. If you love onion, you will definitely love that. As soon as the chip got on my tongue, that's all I tasted was onion. Oh, let's move on. Next up, I know I'm about to dread this. Dark chocolate. 47% dark chocolate with sea salt. Yeah, I know I don't like dark chocolate. Why must they always do this to me with this dark chocolate crap, man? UniversalYums, if y'all watching this, first off, sponsor me. I do y'all boxes every month. But now, come on with all this dark chocolate. I know people like dark chocolate, but can y'all mix it and put some milk chocolate in here sometimes too? Because, gracious. Ooh, excuse me. I think more people in the world like milk chocolate than dark chocolate. If I'm wrong, comment down below. Thumbs up if you like milk chocolate. Thumbs down if you like dark chocolate. Maybe so many of y'all like dark chocolate. Man, I can't even get into the dark chocolate. Maybe I'm supposed to try this. There we go. Oh yeah. Nope. That's bitter as hell. Excuse me. See, this box got me cussing. I have not cussed doing any of these boxes. This boxes has really got me cussing. I don't know what it is. YouTube, don't ban my video, please. I apologize. Gracious. Alright, let's just move on. I'm trying to get through this box because I'm frustrated now. Alright, next up. Poppy seed and black pepper waffles. I don't know about all of this. I got a feeling I ain't gonna like it, but guess what? We're gonna try it. Small little waffles. Look at that. You can see the little poppy seeds. Or Don't give me a waffle. Thick and sweet, and it's throwing me off. Alright, let's just move on. Next up is this big bag here. These are sweet chili shrimp crackers. I don't think I'm gonna like this. Go ahead, let's get through it. We almost through this box. I'm just ready to get through this because ew. Looks like that. It's very light. Nope. Shrimp crackers. Ew. No. Alright, let's just get through this. What's the next one? Almond cookies. Alright, no, I'm not gonna like these. Should I even try these? Because y'all know I don't eat almonds. Nope. I'm not even gonna try this. I'll let y'all see what it looks like, but I'm not gonna try it because look, it's just full of almonds and I don't really eat nuts, so it's gonna be pointless for me to try these freaking things. But that's what they look like. Yep, nope, I wouldn't try it. Look at that. You can see the almonds all through that cookie. They're almond croquants. So it's like very, let me see if I can show you the middle of that. You see that? It's like very hollow in the middle. They're very airy. I will say that. So they're not, it's just not for me. So, let's move on. Next is creme brulee caramels, however y'all pronounce it. The creamiest hard caramel you'll ever have. I know it's hard because, listen to this. I don't know how it's going to be creamy, but it is what it is. So this is what it looks like. Standard hard caramel. Oh yeah, it's actually hard candy. This is actually pretty good. That's tasty. That's pretty good. But I don't really eat hard candy, so I probably wouldn't even eat it. But that's pretty good. Alright, next up, we have more truffles. These are raspberry macaroon chocolate truffle. Now, raspberry and chocolate goes good together, I'm assuming. Well, I know because I've had it before, so let's just get down to the nitty-gritty. Hopefully these are good. I had enough rich chocolate for today. I can smell the raspberry. I can't eat good. I can't even lick it off my fingers. I'm gonna have to. Okay. You can taste the raspberry, right? But the chocolate is so rich and dark, it overpowers it. The raspberry definitely comes through. But, God, that was disgusting. I'm a little disappointed in France box this month. There's just too much going on. Apple caramel cookies. I got high hopes for this because I love apple and I love caramel. No, you know what? Before I open this, let me get through this one. This last item in the box are these. These are dark chocolate shortbread palettes. I'm gonna get through this because I don't want to end on dark chocolate. I really don't. I need something that's a little sweeter. Oh, they come in their own little, well, packages of 4. There's another package in there. I want to get through this because if I don't like it, geez, I got something that's a little sweet to come back to. So that's what it looks like. It's a little hard. Nope, I don't care for it. Alright. Let's get to the last thing. And that's these apple caramel cookies. And then we can just, Are you ready? That's what they look like. Ooh, it smells like apple too. It's just okay. It's just okay. Alright, so let's get to voting. The best gem in here. Unfortunately, was the raspberry candy that I had. This here, the chews, the assorted French fruit chews. The raspberry one was delicious. So yeah, that was out of everything in the box. That was my favorite. Oh no. And these two are top of my favorite. Weirdest will have to be the weirdest. Have to be the poppy seed and black pepper waffles. Like, that's weird. When I think of waffles, I think of something sweet. So to have it savory, it just threw me off. And then the worst is those wasabi chips. Now, hands down, those were horrible. And the wasabi chips and the onion confit. So these are the worst. Along with this onion confit. And then the weirdest was these poppy seed waffles. That was horrible. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing me squirm. And it was just so horrible with a lot of these things in there. Gracious, that hurt me to my heart. You want to see a Universal Yum box next month? I had to skip next month. like I said, money issues again. But be on the lookout. I will be doing UniversalYums next month. So I mean, month after in April. But I do have some band boxes that I can unbox for you guys. But that's if you guys want to see those unboxes. If you want those unboxes, I can do those and upload them for you guys. We can have them at least take place at UniversalYums until I do that box. But comment down below if you want to see those unboxes. If not, I won't do them. But I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. We about to get out of here. I gotta go brush my tongue or something. I love you guys. Bye.